Now, I know coding can get really boring and it feels like it's, school and then it's a chore and then it's some uphill task you have to deal with. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be like that? What if coding could feel like your favorite song, your favorite match, your favorite game? That's how I made it fun. And once it became fun, trust me, I couldn't stop. Now, let me show you how you can also do the same. Yeah, so the first thing I want to talk about is building what you love. You understand? I want us to code what we love. Yeah, so here's the first thing. Build stuff around what you already love. I love football. Barcelona is my team. So guess what? I cloned the FC Barcelona site. Not because I had to, but because I wanted to. Now this one project taught me more about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and even ES Bootstrap, and then gave me some cool thing to look at when I was done. And then the gratification was unbelievable. Trust me. If you're not into football, that's also cool. You can make a site for your favorite artist, make a site for your dream car, build your own version of Spotify. Like once it's personal, you'll be shocked how fun it gets. And my second point is, learn through play. Now, what do I mean by learn through play? Another thing that really helped me was diving into game development. Now, it doesn't matter what language you are using, whether it's JavaScript, it's Python, or C Sharp. Game development teaches you some really important stuff. You learn logic, problem solving, and how to make a thing come to life. It's about how you can create real world experiences. And then what's cool is that even if you're not planning to make games, full time, you can use the logic in anything you're coding. So if you're stuck or you're looking to level up your skills, consider taking a game dev course or even just messing around with some basic game projects. Point number 3 is code like it's a game. Now, what do I mean by code like it's a game? Look, every time I sit down to code, I treat it like it's a game. There's levels and then there are bosses, and by bosses I mean bugs. Like that feeling when you finally debug your code and then it runs. Now let me tell you a story. There was this one time I was debugging this same game development. I was waiting. That was the beginning stages. I just simply wanted my window to run. And then, mind you, this was just some very stupid syntax error. And then once I was able to figure it out, I just went like, booyah. Like you see such excitement, such like enjoy whatever you are doing. Go like it's a game. And then once you start seeing your projects as quest, everything, every little win gets exciting. Whether it's clearing a new concept or even building a whole new project. So point number 4, and then our last for today is drop the fear and then build what you want. Here's a realest advice I can give you. Build what you want, not what some tutorial tells you to, not what you think recruiters want to see. Build your ideas, the wild ones, the random ones, the ones that make you excited to open your laptop. Stop waiting to be good enough and stop waiting for permission. Just build a damn thing. Because here's what happens. Those weird, passionate projects, they become your talking points in these interviews. They show these recruiters who you really are, and then they feel your energy. They will know when you copied some course projects, and they'll definitely know when you were actually having fun and excited about what you were building. And most importantly, you will know, you yourself, you will know, you will care. And that's what matters. That's what keeps you from burning out. That's what keeps you going when the tutorials end and the real coding begins. Build what you want and you won't end up quitting like the rest of the bunch. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Make it personal, make it playful, and most importantly, make it yours. That's how coding becomes more than just code. That's how it becomes you. Don't take yourself too serious. Even don't take me too serious. I've been your fan doctor. Catch you in the next one.